Yo guys, panoorin natin to. Sabay-sabay tayo mag-react dito. Yon, play natin.
Hola, good afternoon. So, my name is Josh and I'm 22 and I am a network engineer at one of the highest respectable IT companies here in the Philippines.
All right, so what are your hobbies or
I am a golden retriever boy, so I
Taol naman dyan!
want some golden retriever gal. So, if you would reciprocate, then you will get it.
Okay. And how about mga deal breakers mo or if nalaman mo na ganito yung partner mo, ayaw mo na sa kanya?
What I want is honesty, I guess. And ang pinaka pala is the one who respects my time because ayokong binabastos ka, bakit mo ako babastusin?
Hi.
Teka, sa lahat ng lalaki, ikaw lang yung hindi dapat bastusin. When it comes to girl, pagdating sa babae, ang mga lalaki, lahat sila gustong bastusin. Guess nyo na yun, bahala kayo anong isipin nyo. Tuloy natin.
I'm 29 years old and I'm a freelance actress. So I popped my balloon kasi when you mentioned you are a golden retriever guy. Well, hindi ko masasabi na I'm kung anong breed man ako ng dogs. The way you talk, parang parang too mabait.
That's not very golden retriever of you.
Let's just say I'm just a switch. So, yeah.
Sorry naman na may sarili na siyang girlfriend. So, it's okay. Nonetheless, din kung anything. No hard feelings.
All right, thank you so much.
Hello, I'm Ali. I'm 28 years old. I work at an ad agency. So actually, I popped it because, yun nga, younger and in terms of height. But then, I was gonna ask for a balloon back because taekwondo, I used to do taekwondo then before, and you said you were a golden retriever. I'm also a golden retriever. The thing is, I'm looking for someone na black cat energy because I am very overwhelming as a person. I have high energy, like everyone knows this. So I feel like baka ma-overwhelm ka sa akin or something like that. So I can be a bit too strong.
And is there anything you'd like to say in response to that?
Directly tapatin na kita, to be honest. I had sights on you. Sadly, it didn't work out for you. The energy, I can tolerate. I can tolerate all the rageness in my body, but I can make space for you. That's it.
Ayun naman pala. Golden retriever guy and golden retriever gal. Are you sure you don't want your balloon back?
I'm okay. Black cat talaga. Sorry.
Black cat ang hanap mo.
Yeah, pero black cat.
Ming naman dyan!
But you're golden retriever
Meow naman dyan!
Okay. You're golden. All right. You're just. Okay, thank you so much.
Grabe grabe siya umawak na Nakaka-turn off, di ba? Kaka-turn off. Golden retriever. Taol ka nga. Ganun ka nga.